In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and view your ChatGPT memory. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find and manage your stored interactions with ChatGPT. So, let's get started. First off, open up your web browser and head over to Google. You could use any search engine of your choice, really, but Google tends to be the most straightforward for these kinds of tasks. Now, in the Google search bar, type in ChatGPT. Press the search button or hit enter on your keyboard. You'll see a host of results, but we want to focus on finding the official ChatGPT website. It's usually one of the top results, making it fairly easy to spot. Once you've found the official ChatGPT website link in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will navigate you to the ChatGPT platform, where all the magic happens. Now, pay attention to the lower left corner of the web page. You'll see your profile icon, typically represented by the first letter of your username. Click on that icon, and a list of options should appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where we have access to various preferences and customization features for your ChatGPT account. Next up, within the Settings menu, you'll want to look for an option called Personalization. Clicking on Personalization is crucial because it leads us to the area where your memory settings reside. This is where you get to adjust how ChatGPT interacts with you based on previous interactions. Once inside the Personalization menu, you'll notice another tab labeled Memory. This is the heart of your ChatGPT personalization features because it stores and manages the information from your prior chats. Click on the Memory tab to proceed. Within the Memory tab, you'll have the option to manage your memory. Clicking Manage will give you an overview of your stored interactions with ChatGPT. This section allows you to manage the data that ChatGPT uses to personalize conversations with you. If you have any stored memories, they'll appear here, giving you the ability to view, organize, or even delete them if needed. And that's it. You now know how to check and view your ChatGPT memory. It's always a good idea to regularly review and manage this data to ensure your interactions remain as relevant and personal as you prefer. Keep in mind that regularly managing this data helps maintain privacy and ensures that your experience with ChatGPT remains tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you in navigating the ChatGPT platform.